Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today I have prepared another blood relationship problem for you, and here is the problem. A $sign B means A is a father of B, so A is a father of B, so instead of $sign we can put F, which would means that in this case Q is a father of R, and every time we see $sign we can put F on top, which means father. Next, A number sign B means A is a sister of B, so we can put S here, we can put S here and S here, and A asterisk B means that A is a daughter of B, so we can put D here, which stands for the daughter, and D here. And A at B means that A is a brother of B, so we can put B here, B here, and B here. Now we can solve our problem, and the question is, which of the following indicates that M is the wife of Q? So let's solve the first answer. So what this answer show us? It shows that Q is a father of R, so he is a Q and he is a father of R. And we know that R is a sister of T, so we circle R, and she is a sister of T, and T is a brother of M. So they have another sibling, M here, and T is a brother of M. And sex of the M is not specified, so we use this sign. So again, which of the following indicates that M is the wife of Q? And we see that M is a child of Q. So answer A is wrong. Let's check answer B. And here we see that Q is a father of R, so every answer begins with the same first statement. So again, we have Q, who is the father of R, and those wife is not mentioned here, but we understand that if Q is the father of R, we also have to add a mother here of R2 and spouse of the Q. So, and R is a brother of T. So R is a brother, so we include R in a box of T. So T here, and T is a sister of M, so T is a sister, so we circle of M. And sex of the M is not specified, so how this pedigree is different from the variant A. So R here is female, R here is a male, T here is a male, T here is a female. So this is two different pedigrees. But again, in this pedigree we see that M is a child of Q and not a wife. So let's check answer C, and we see here that Q is a father of R. So again, Q is a father of R, and R is a daughter of T. So R is a daughter, so we circle of T. Only this second parent can be T, because another parent is already, we know that he is Q. So next, we know that T is a sister of M. So T has a sibling, M, sex is not specified. So how M related to Q? And as you see, M would be with a sister-in-law of Q or brother-in-law of Q. We don't know the sex of the M. So now we know that the correct answer is D. If you're under pressure of time on your exam, you can circle answer D right away, but let's check. So we know that Q is the father of R. Again, Q is the father of R, and R is the brother of T. So box, brother of T, and T is a daughter of M. So circle here, and daughter of M means that only this person can be M, because we know that father is Q. So now we see that M is a wife of Q. So the correct answer is D. I hope my explanation have been clear. This is very easy to solve this type of problems if you just follow the logic that I show you today. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any. Share this video with your classmates, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.